Hello students, I am Manoj Kumar. Once again, I am available to your class 3, chapter 7, multiplications. In the previous video, we have already discussed about the exercise 22, but in this video, we will discuss about multiplication by a two-digit number and exercise 23. Now, how can we multiply by a two-digit number to two-digit number and the three-digit number? Let us take an example to understand this type of multiplications. Now, let us take an example. Multiply 78 by 45. 45 is a two-digit number and 78 is also two-digit number. Arrange these numbers. Now here is the ones place, here is the tens place. Now here is the ones place, and now here is also 10 place. Now first we write the 78 in column tens place and the ones place, and write the multiplication sign and write 4 under the tens column and 5 under the ones column. Now students, first we multiply 5 to 8. When we multiply 5 to 8, okay, 8 multiplied by 5, we get 40. Now we have already discussed this type of the calculations, and now we write 0 under the ones column. Okay, now this 4 goes over the tens here. Now when we multiplied 5 7, 5 7 ja 40, 5 7 ja 35. 7 multiplied by 5, we get the 35, and now we add 35 plus 4. 4 is the carry digit, carry over digit. Now we get the 39. Now we write 39, 3 under the 100 column and 9 under the tens column. Okay, and now after that we will multiply 4 to 78. When we multiply 4, since 4 is under the tens place, so first we write 0 under the ones column. Now multiply 4 into 8. When we multiply 8 to 4, 8 multiplied by 4, we multiplied by 4, we get 32. Okay. Now this 2 write under the tens column. Where we write this 2? We write this 2 under the tens column, and 3 is carryover digit. Now we multiplied 4 to 7. 4 to 7. When we multiplied 4 to 7, 7 multiplied to 4, we get 28. Okay. Now when we add 28 plus uh, 3, 28 plus 3, this is the carryover digit, we make the 31. Now write 31, 1 is under the 100 columns and 3 under the 1000 columns. Okay. Now adding both two multiplications by 5 and the 4. Now when we add 0 plus 0, we get the 0, and 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Write the 1 is here, and now 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, and now adding 1 carryover digit, we make the 5, and now there is no carryover digit, so we write 3 in same way. So student, in this way we can multiply 45 to 78. Okay. Now let us take another examples. When we multiplied three digit three, three digit number by two digit number. First we arrange these numbers. Here we see 284. 2 is under the 100 columns, 8 right under the tens column, and the 4 right under the ones column. Okay, in this way we can arrange this. And now write the 29. Here 9 is right under the ones column and 2 right under the tens column. Now when we multiplied 9 to 4, 9 for the 36. We write the 6 is here, and now carry over digit is 3. When we multiply 9 to 8, 9 8 is 72. 72 plus 3, we make the 75. And the 7 is carry over digit. Now, when we multiply 9 to the 18, and when we add 18 plus 7, we get the 25. So, after that, we will multiply 2 to 284. Now, 2 is under the tens place digit. So, there we put 0 under the ones column, and now write multiply 2 to the 4. 2 4 the 8. Right is here. Now, after that, 2 8 is 16. Write the 6 is here. 1 is carry over digit. And now when we multiply 2 to the 4, and 1 is adding 4 plus 1, we get the 5. When we adding these two numbers of in two rows, 6 plus 0, we make the 6. 5 plus 8, we make the 13. And write the 3. And 1 is carry over digit. And now 5 plus 6, 11. When we adding 1 to 11, we get the 12. We make the 12, we make the right 2. And 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. And when we add 1, we get the 8. Now, in this way, we can multiply 3-digit number by the 2-digit number. Now, students, here is the exercise 23 of your book, Composite Mathematics. Now, there are question number 1 to 28. Here is the question number 1 to 28. Now, when we multiply these types of the questions, here you see, first question is the 2-digit multiplication digit. Now, when we multiply 18 to 27, we will multiply in the same way in the previous examples. When we multiply 8 into 7, we get the 56. 5 is carry over. 8 to the 16. When we adding 5, we get the 21. And now there is no, here is the tens place. So 10 place digit. So write the 0 under the ones column. And now multiplied 1 to 7, we get the 7. And 1 to the 2, we write the 100 column, under the 100 column. And now adding both them, 6 plus 0, 6, 1 plus 7, 8, and 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay. And this is the another example questions, question number 9. This is the same question. The process will be same and to the previous examples. Now, we go to the next question. Here is the question number 20. 473 into multiplied by 80. When we multiply, here is the 3-digit number, here is the 2-digit number. When we multiply 2-digit number to the 3-digit number, here is the 2, 8. 8 multiply 3. 8 3 is 24. We 8 3 is 24. Here is the 4. And now 8 multiplies 7. 8 7 is 56. When we add 2, we get the 28. 8 7 is 56 plus 2, 58. Write the 8. 5 is carry over digit. 8 4 is 32. When we add 32 plus 5, we get the 37. Now, once again, write the 0 under the ones column. And now, here is the 1 digit which is used to multiply to 473. When we multiply 1 to 3, we get the 3. 1 7 is 7. 1 4 is 4. When we adding both these two last digits, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 is here. 1 is carry over digit. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 1 is carry over digit. And now 3 plus 4, 7 or 1, 8. Now, in this way, we can solve these problems number 22. And now, there is a 25 questions. We can multiply in the same way as a question number 22. Okay, student. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you understand this type of the multiplication.